In this lesson, we'll learn the months of the year. Let's start with the phonetically borrowed kupu or words. Hanuere, January. Pēpuere, February. Maihe, March. Āperira, April. May, May. Hune, June. Hurai, July. Ākuhata, August. Hepetema, September. Oketopa, October. Noema, November. Tihema, December. The next was given by Sir Timoti Karetu and is based off the Maori calendar before the Pākehā arrived to Aotearoa. It's based on a lunar calendar, so it doesn't completely align with the Western Gregorian calendar. Here are the kupu. Kohi tātea, January. Hui tanguru, February. Pou tū te rangi, March. Painga whawha, April. Haratua, May. Pipiri, June. Hōngongoi, July. Hereturi kōka, August. Mahuru, September. Whiringānuku, October. Whiringārangi, November. Hakihea, December. We also have a song that helps you learn about the months of the year. Tēnā, karawhiua, give it a go.